Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Privately set and completely renovated, this timeless beach villa is ready for you today. The spacious layout of the bedrooms, each with ensuite bathroom, gives the house a homely feel without feeling crowded. A gorgeous kitchen featuring a large island with industrial stove and refrigerator is the heart of the house. The barbecue and pool deck provides a lovely outdoor living. This exceptional house comes with 5 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms, and it is completely air conditioned and entirely mosquito netted. The house is being sold with its beautiful furniture and is completely wheelchair friendly. It is ready for you to immediately move in or to be bought as an investment property to rent out long term as a beach villa or vacation home. It has a very spacious one-car garage as well as a golf cart garage. The best part is that this beautiful home is situated inside the Silver Sands estate, which is a gated community, and it is just a few steps from the magical Silver Sands beach. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.5 million or Jamaican $230.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.